Embarking on cryptocurrency trading can be daunting, but equipping yourself with the right tools can significantly enhance your trading experience and decision making. Here are 3 essential tools every beginner should consider. But before we continue, this video is for educational purposes and should not be considered financial advice. Let's dive in.
Do you want your video to go to the top of YouTube on search results? No matter what niche you're in, you spend time making your videos just like I have making this one right now. And the last thing you want is no one to ever see it. You want it to be at the top of YouTube, and that's where ytranker.net comes in. Our sponsor has an incredible algorithm that allows your YouTube video to be at the top of YouTube guaranteed. ytranker.net uses cutting-edge techniques to allow your video to increase all the way to the top of YouTube. Once your video climbs to the top, you're gonna see more views, you're gonna see more engagement, you're gonna see more leads if you're a business trying to find clients. But most importantly, the world is going to see the video that you've spent this long making. Now, I could not do what I do without them. Every single video I pour so much effort into, and they make sure it goes to the top. It's a winning machine. So if you want to check them out, ytranker.net, go there now. Otherwise, let's get back to the video.
All right, guys, so here we are talking about the first crypto trading tool for beginners. I'm a beginner just like you, so don't worry, everything's cool. This is Coin Stats. Now, what you can do with this is you can track everything from one place, your wallets, your exchanges, and as you can see, you can connect all these awesome wallets. You can connect your entire portfolio to track, swap, and stake your assets. Now, everybody knows how important it is to stake assets. We know how volatile the crypto markets can get. Things go up, things go down, all that kind of stuff. It happens in any market, right? But what if there was a way that you could do it all in one place with this program? You can, because it's an all-in-one crypto and Bitcoin tracking to manage your portfolio more efficiently. And you can see all the different wallet exchanges, all the different protocols. There's over 1,000 and 20,000 cryptocurrencies with 300 wallets. How exciting is this? Now, you might be feeling a little trepidatious. Maybe you've been talking with some people who lost money on crypto, or maybe you haven't. I don't know. But if you have, and you know people who have lost money and maybe they're a little confused about investing, well, guess what? You can get in-depth analysis 24 hours a day, staking, assets, all that stuff, and you can level up your wallet weekly cumulative profit loss and analysis so you know what's happening with your crypto wallet and your assets at any given time, and you can get premium for free. That's right, you can get up to 100 portfolios, track up to 100,000 transactions, and get in-depth profit loss and analysis. That's not all you can do. Let's say you want to swap out some coins. You can come to swap, boom, you can select a coin, swap for another one, boom. Very simple, very straight up, just have to connect your wallet there. And you could track today's crypto prices by market cap. As you can see, look at how high the market caps are going on here. So that is how you can use Coin Stats for portfolio management for your crypto assets. It's very, very intuitive and easy to use, like I said. All right, now we're going to talk about Coin Tracker. And this is another one that does the same thing, but this also doubles as a tax calculator, and you can track your investments and generate tax reports all at the same time. Very convenient, because we know how stressful it is around tax season, and this program doubles as both, which is very, very interesting. And it's the leading portfolio tracker and tax calculator. And you can see all these awesome stats with all these users, CPAs, corresponding clients, 16 years of history of data and coin trend. That is amazing. But look at all the details. You get personal analysis, you get trade imports, tax declaration, coin charts and trends, professional help, and security and encryption for all of the details involved with crypto management. It's essential. If you are an investor and you're looking to invest in crypto, this is awesome. It's for crypto traders and for crypto companies as well. And if you're just starting, you can get involved right now. It's easy. You're not going to feel any kind of fear doing this, because it's already trading full-time like a pro. And you can become a pro and trade full-time. The crypto portfolio tracker can update all your transactions in real time, and lots of how-to videos so you know exactly what you're doing. No confusion. Everything works seamlessly, and you get direct imports from all of this, all these companies, and imports from all these companies as well, and legacy support for closed exchanges from all these companies as well. So feel good, feel secure with coin tracking to track your crypto assets and all those things. Now we're going to talk about charting apps, because you want to track market volatility. You want to track highs and lows. You want to know what's going on in the market, because your money is precious. I know that. My money is precious as well. So you can get started for free, and where the world does markets. You can chart, trade, screen, analyze, learn, and chat. So if you have any questions, you can ask. Now, these are all the different charts. You just type in a search trend and look, boom. You could search for volatility. You could search for what coin is doing what, how high, how low, when to buy, when to sell. This is going to give you indications of all the trends in all the different stocks to do with cryptocurrency, which is very, very important for us crypto traders, because I know you're a beginner like me and you definitely want to get the best analysis and details as humanly possible. Explore more features here, and it's loving every TradingView with over 100 million traders and investors, the #1 top website in the world, 1.5 million mobile reviews with 10 million customer scripts. Amazing stuff. And you can check out market summaries. I mean, there's all kinds of cool stuff here. Community ideas, indicators and strategies, top stories. I mean, this is a very detailed website. Lots of stuff on here, as you can see. So that's what this charting app could do for you. It's very important. You need it. I need it. All right, now we're going to talk about crypto tax, because you don't want the IRS showing up at your door banging on the door. Hey, you haven't been filing your taxes. You're a crypto investor. They watch us, okay? Everybody knows that. So this is the #1 trading crypto tax software, free portfolio tracking, advanced DeFi, NFT, and on-chain support with official TurboTax partner, and you can get started right here for free, and you can see example reports right there as well. And this is trusted by over 500,000 crypto investors, so get in on this, get your taxes done so you can avoid Mr. IRS showing up at your house. I know I don't want that. That would be ridiculous. How does it work? Well, it can import transactions, you can preview your reports, and you can generate your tax reports very seamlessly and save money on your tax bill with crypto losses. Writing off crypto losses can help you save thousands. Claim your tax savings today with CoinLedger. You can click that right there. Easily import all your data, everything in one place. Super easy, super seamless. My friends have told me about this program. They're using it as well, because I have some friends that are crypto investors, and we've been talking about this is some pretty cool software that takes care of everything for them, so the tax man's not showing up at the door. And you can export and file with ease and download your complete tax forms to file yourself. So very simple, very awesome stuff. Trusted TurboTax partner. Everybody wants that. And you can track your portfolio for free and get international tax reporting. And white glove service, import from any platform. Look at that. Amazing stuff. Absolutely amazing. Loved by customers everywhere. You can see all these positive customer reviews, people saying great things about the CoinLedger and its efficiency and ease of use. So this is awesome stuff. And you can calculate your crypto taxes. Bang, bang, boom. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video on crypto trading tools for beginners. If you got any questions, leave it down below. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and invest with confidence. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care for now.